Heyo everyone, DQWERTYC here with my latest puzzle map, Bloxorz, which is a Minecraft homage to the old Bloxorz Flash game. As you can see right from the start, this is not your normal Minecraft map. As I press the movement keys, this block moves around instead of the player, and the player's camera is completely locked in place. The goal here was to create a puzzle game that felt as much like a standalone puzzle as possible, and as little like a Minecraft map, just to test the limits of some of the new technical features that just made it into the release version this past week. But yeah, this goal of this puzzle game, each level, is to get the block to the exit portal in the standing position. You can do that by moving around, and as you move around, you can move in any direction, and depending on whether you're standing or what your orientation is, that'll change how the block moves. And the goal is to get to the end, and you'll see in the corner there's also a little par counter for each level to have a goal to get to the end in the minimum number of moves. There's a few extra mechanics I've added. This one is from the original Bloxorz. There's these little pressure plates that will open up pathways, but then the iron ones require the block to be standing to activate. Other than that, all the mechanics I've added are new to this game. So there's these falling sand blocks introduced in level 3 that make it impossible to backtrack. And then, if I go back to the main menu here, you can always skip at least one level if you get stuck on a level. But moving on to level 5, we have our next new mechanic, which are these portals. And these portals allow for some creative movement. They change how you get around. Sometimes they'll change what kind of, phase you're in for how your block is oriented related to the rest of the world. And the last mechanic is not unlocked until level 9, so I'll leave that for you to discover. Like I said, this is a completely unmodded map. So there's a resource pack and data pack. Those are both bundled with the world save, so all you need to do is download the world and you'll be able to jump right in and start playing. I guess the other final thing is, as you progress through the game and beat levels and get perfect scores on them, you'll be able to unlock different skins for your character, working your way up to getting diamond and redstone. There's also an extra little bonus for anyone who aces all 16 levels, but I will leave that as a little Easter egg for you to discover on your own. And sometime in the next couple of weeks, I'll probably release a 100% walkthrough for anyone who wants to see that, but for now I'll just leave it for anyone who wants the challenge to download the world and try it for themselves. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all in the future.